What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna go over a couple of strategies that I use myself personally to make $3,000 this month on the stock market. So I know I've been doing the car tours, I've been doing the house tours, I'm gonna show you guys a lot of cool stuff, but the whole point of this is for us to make some money at the end of it, right? So with this video here, I'm gonna show you what I did last month, how I was able to make $3,000 on a $10,000 investment in the stock market using the Robinhood app, and how you guys can do the same thing, guys. So whatever you guys want to do with your $3,000, you can do with it. The whole point of this is to just give game back. When I find out something, I want to share with you guys, and hopefully you guys do the same thing with me. So I'm going to show you guys today what I did last month to make $3,000 back in Robinhood, again, with just $10,000 invested. Everyone thinks, you need hundreds of thousands invested in all this. If you think about it, most of us can pay our rent with $3,000 a month. So with just $10,000 invested, I was able to make my entire rent cost, my entire expense costs, and that's all I'm hoping to do with this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. It's a little bit of a break from some other stuff that we've been doing, but let's make some money, guys. All right, so we made it back inside. Now, one thing I wanted to go over for you guys is the exact stocks that are making the biggest earnings for me. In the description, I'm going to show you guys all the stocks that I'm buying right now to give you guys kind of an idea of what my portfolio looks like. But in this video, I just want to go over the biggest winners for us, okay? So right now, EV stocks are killing it for me, guys. All the electric vehicle stocks are really the ones that are killing it. Now, I've been getting a lot of people asking me where to begin, what should I buy, what looks good right now. These are the two stocks that are killing it for me, and a lot of people love these stocks right now. Number one, NIO. If you guys check out NIO, they've been doing amazing. Right now, we just saw that they have other companies in China right now that are using their charging infrastructure to power their cars. So not only is NIO going crazy and the stock has had a lot of interest and we're seeing a lot of gains in NIO, on top of that, they have a great model in China, and we're seeing that they're really killing it in China. And not only that, they're finding other revenue streams besides just selling the cars themselves. So NIO has been a big winner for me. After NIO, I have Tesla. Now, honestly, over the course of the whole time that I've been investing, I've made a little bit more money on Tesla, but over the last month, NIO has killed it for me. NIO is one of my biggest winners that I've had so far. I think I bought it at around $3, $4 a share, something like that. And right now, I'm seeing NIO in today at about $20 a share. So NIO has been a huge winner for me, but let me tell you guys, Tesla's killing it too. Tesla is the #1 electric car company right now. It was crazy to imagine Tesla would ever be trading at $2,000 a share, but Tesla is trading at $2,000 a share. And now it's going to be easier for us all to get involved with Tesla, as the stock is going to split 5-to-1. With this 5-to-1 split, you're going to see that Tesla is now going to be worth about a fifth of what the stock price is right now per share. So they're going to issue more shares to lower the price so that we can bring in new investors. It's my speculation that when these new investors come in, we're going to see the stock bump even more. So guys, Tesla is another big winner. I'm going to show you guys right here exactly how well these two stocks have done for me. As you can see here, I've killed it on these two stocks, guys. Both of these stocks, if I would have put $100,000 in, would have made way too much money. They would have been great returns. Again, right now we're investing with $10,000 and we're still seeing a $3,000 return playing with a lot of these stocks that we see here. Guys, so one of the crazier things to look at is that Tesla stock today alone brought me home $445. So I don't know about you guys, but most jobs I worked at bring about $100 to $200 per day in an hourly rate. This one stock alone, with just a $6,000 investment, is bringing me in $400 a day. That's not including NIO or any of the rest of my portfolio that's diversified in different areas. Now, granted, it's not always an up day or whatever the case is, but across the course of a month, we've seen I'm still gaining. And just today alone, $400 was added just off of Tesla stock. All right, guys, so getting off of EV stocks, one of the stocks I really like is called the Trade Desk. So TTD, the Trade Desk, has killed it for me. On this stock alone, I've really seen a 124% gain. So I've seen a huge gain on this stock. Again, I know right now, everything going on, we're seeing even bigger gains than usual, but 100% gain in a couple of months is crazy. Now, TTD is a marketing and advertisement company, and just like most of the stocks that I buy, they took a huge dip in the middle of March. So if you look, I like to look for that big dip middle of March where the stock was high right before that dip, and then you know that it's very possible that the stock can climb right back to where it was, right before the middle of March. Those are the stocks that I really like to buy right now. Now, outside of these stocks, most of my earnings have come from a variety of stocks. So again, in the bio, I'm going to include all the stocks that are currently in my portfolio. There are a couple of stocks that I haven't made gains on, but I'm going to show you guys my whole portfolio and let you know everything that I'm invested in, including Bitcoin. Bitcoin's another place where I've been seeing a big gain. Not huge, but just like gold, we're noticing that Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a gain as a result of everyone kind of getting scared of the dollar right now. So things like Bitcoin, gold, and things like that are definitely going to be doing well during this time period. So guys, this is what I personally do. This is not investment advice. I'm just letting you guys know what I have done myself and how I was able to gain $3,000 this month investing on stocks in the stock market. Outside of these stocks, guys, there are a couple of stocks I'm waiting on to maybe make a big gain. IVR is one of them. That's a real estate stock. I've noticed that with IVR, it took a big dip. A lot of the real estate stocks have taken a big dip, but they are poised to have huge gains if they can come back to where they were right before the end of March. And then on top of that is Boeing. Boeing has had a lot of government contracts. Government is a worldwide aerospace leader. And I really feel like Boeing, although it's had a couple of issues right now, it had the plane crash issues kind of even before everything in March. But realistically, I see Boeing bringing themselves back, and I see that as another place that's really solid and another place where we can see big gains. So guys, hopefully this shows you guys a little bit of what I did to make $3,000 last month on the stock market with, again, just $10,000 invested. And guys, I'm going to include a little bit more information in the next couple of videos of what I'm looking for in the future and how I'm going to be positioning my money to hopefully make more money for myself in the future, guys. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, RaySid, and come with some new videos for you guys soon.